I'm going to be showing you how to log into BMO Harris online banking. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So to log into BMO, formerly which is known as BMO Harris, you just need to go to bmo.com. So just open any of the browser you have. I'm going to be using Safari and just type in bmo.com and you should see something like this. Now what you need to do is find the sign in button. You can choose what kind of BMO you would like. If it's BMO Canada, if you're from US, just type on BMO US. So I'm just going to be choosing Canada right here. Once you're here, right there at the top, you have the sign in option. Just go ahead and tap here. So if you have an account, then you can choose the other options. But if you're new, then you can just tap on this option right here that says register for online banking with a BMO debit card or credit card. So just enter your card number or your login ID. After you've done that, just tap on remember me so that your browser would remember your card details, and just type in your password. That's all you need to do. You just tap on sign in and you're good to go. That's how you log into BMO Harris online banking. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.